In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace just like we did to make an impressive $8,000 by selling it all. Whether you're downsizing, decluttering, or starting a small business, Facebook Marketplace is a great platform to reach buyers who are actively looking for products like yours. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you have a seamless selling experience. First, open up your web browser and head over to Facebook. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so. Once you have Facebook loaded up, you'll be on the familiar homepage. Your next move is to locate the See More option on the left-hand side of the screen within the menu. Click on See More to expand your options. Scrolling down a bit, you'll find the Marketplace shortcut. Click on it to enter the bustling world of Facebook Marketplace. This is where all the magic happens, from browsing items to creating your unique listings. Once you're in Marketplace, you'll want to click on the Create New Listing button. You'll immediately be prompted to choose the type of listing you want to create. You can select from items such as vehicles, property rentals, or even listings for sale items. Choose the one that best matches what you're selling. Now it's time to make your listing visually appealing. Start by adding some high-quality photos of the item you're selling. Remember, clear and attractive images are key because they're the first thing potential buyers will notice. Make sure your photos showcase your item from various angles, capturing all its features to instill confidence in buyers. Next, give your item an eye-catching title. Your title should be concise but descriptive, making it easy for buyers to understand what you're offering. After that, it's crucial to set a fair price. Take the time to research similar items in the marketplace to ensure your price is competitive. Following this, select the most appropriate category for your item. Accurate categorization helps potential buyers find your listing more easily. You'll also need to specify the condition of your item, whether it's new, lightly used, or has some wear. Be honest about the condition to avoid any misunderstandings later on. A detailed description is next. Here, share all the specifics about your item, such as dimensions, materials, or any unique features. You're painting a picture for your buyers, giving them reasons to choose your item over others. Don't forget to include relevant tags, which will help your listing appear in searches conducted by potential buyers. Location is also key, as buyers like to know how close you are. Set your location to make your listing relevant for those who are geographically close to you. Lastly, decide on your delivery method. Will you offer in-person pickup, shipping, or both? Choose what works best for you and is convenient for potential buyers. Finally, review all the information you've entered, then click Next and publish your listing. And there you have it, your item is now live on Facebook Marketplace, ready to attract interested buyers. By following these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a successful seller on Facebook Marketplace. Happy selling!